My name is Michael Guerrier. My current job title is Lead Generation Manager. Started working for KB Electronics in 1992 right out of business school. I don't think I've had any other real job, to be honest with you. So KB Electronics, then Nidec, it's all I've basically known. And I have been able to grow with them. First position in the company I was hired was as a desktop publisher. We had to use WordPerfect to basically digitize everything. Everything was done on a typewriter before. We have the software on the computer. You can go ahead and actually type stuff and print them. So it was very exciting. A few years after that, they moved to Cold Springs, Florida. There was an opportunity that opened up. They needed someone to manage the network. I took some courses and I learned how to use the network of the system. And then I wanted to get involved into something different to move forward. So that's how I got a job working in IT. And my goal has always been anything that I can do to help my company move forward and save them money. That's what I wanted to do, because I believe the more money you save the company, the more value you have for them, and the more rewarding it will be for you also. So a technique that I still apply to this day. So what came next to me, I had no idea that you could have gone to school to become a graphic artist. I went back to school and then I learned my degree in fine arts, majoring in graphics design. And I started working full-time as a graphic designer. Something else, something new was thrown at you constantly. And the challenge was to figure out a way to do it. And to do it in a way, that works, that's beneficial for the company. From graphic designer, KB Electronics was sold to Nidec. The new leader of the company at the time realized that I had a gift for marketing, and he basically started to introduce me into the marketing field, and then I just fell in love with it. Digital world in general affects everything. I remember talking to a friend of mine that's heavily into football. Before a penalty kick, coaches are giving a little piece of paper to the goalkeeper that tells them basically the tendency of the guy kicking the penalty. So it's all data driven. The goalkeeper now knows the guy who's going to kick the penalty, there's a percentage of the time he's going to kick it to the left or he's going to kick it to the right. It's the same principle in business, in digital marketing. We're studying tendencies of businesses that are looking at our product, how they are looking at our product, what they are looking for, and that allows us to make better decisions when we are targeting specific customers. What's next for Michael? I just started as the lead generation. So that's basically kind of my next move still, right? Lead generation is the backbone of what we are trying to do, a combination of what we are trying to do on the marketing side and also with the sales team. It's like the connection between the two. So it needs to grow to strengthen the connection between the two teams. And then after that, we'll see what happens for the next 30 years. I don't know. This is my first time visiting global headquarters in the UK, and the experience so far has been, in one word, amazing, because you feel welcome. That's everywhere you go. And when I got to meet my team, they welcomed me with a bunch of candy. I think every single piece of candy from the UK was on that table. And I'm still eating some of them. I think I'm going to take some of them back home with me. I'm proud to be on a dynamic team that keeps getting stronger every day. My goal remains clear: to continue growing with Nidec Drives, strengthen our global sales relationship, and drive even more success by selling more drives.